Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another headband unboxing slash wig review video. But before we get started with this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, thumb it up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button down there for me. Thank you. Now that we got that out of the way, let's jump right into the video.
Welcome to my channel, and today I'm about to teach you something. I'ma make it pop legs up like a fan fan. What's the neighbors up? Make it sound like the band playing. Bitch, let me get cute. He's about to come through. I'm by myself, DIY, I can shoot.
So today's unboxing slash headband review is in collaboration with the company Elemo. This is the box that they sent the headband wig in. It's real cute. It's real simple. And they just got their name, Elemo. It might be pronounced a different way, but we pronouncing it Elemo. It says natural and beauty and comfort. 100% virgin human hair. So we're going to start with unboxing the wig. I'm going to let y'all see. Ooh, okay, Elemo. Inside of the box, it comes with 2 wig caps. Ooh, the girls love wig caps. We can't get enough of wig caps. Then we also have this leopard print bag. Let's see what's in the bag, girl. All right, Elemo. Okay, so in the bag, it comes with this. Y'all don't know what this is, Elemo, but it's cute. It's cute. Y'all got a little cute little, it feel patty. It might be, I don't know what this is, but then it also comes with some lashes. Okay, come with some cute little lashes. Zay is not playing with the girls, you hear me? And it says start your beautiful journey. These are the lashes that comes in a cute little leopard print bag, period. All right, Elemo. I love me some lashes. I don't know how to put them on yet, but when I learn, I'm gonna have a lot to put on here. Before I show y'all the wig, we got a little card or whatever, a little flyer. I don't know what they call it. She's serving face on there, period. They got the Instagram, the Facebook, the YouTube, the Pinterest, all right here, sis. And it's also gonna be in the description box. We have the star of the show. So the headband wig comes in this pretty little pink mesh bag, and it says the company's name on it, Elemo Virgin Hair. On top of the wig, there's another little small little goodie bag. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 headbands. 5. You hear me? This is cute. I might just change my little shirt up so I can wear one of these bad boys. So this one is giving fall. This one is definitely giving summer vacation. I love it. Baby, this one is giving spring. Stop playing. Don't play with no it's. It's giving summer, spring. And you know the cheetah print always giving cheetah girls. Cheetah-licious. Cheetah girls, cheetah sisters. This one is also giving summertime, spring vibes. I love it. 5 days of the week, 5 different people, period. That was in this little bag, which is so freaking cute. We're gonna get on to the wig, the star of the show, okay? So as you already know, the headband wigs come with a headband attached, a Velcro little piece in the back. You know, you can have it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. There's combs on each side, and a comb in the back, and a comb in the middle, period. So before I tell y'all the specs, we're gonna put the wig on, and then I'm gonna come back and let y'all know all the details, okay? So I like to put it on by flipping the headband in the front like this, and then throwing it back. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I did go in with some water and curl cream just to define the curls, because the curls, as y'all already seen, was a little bushy, but it's definitely giving me natural hair vibes. It's not giving me deep wave, it's giving me natural wave, and I absolutely love it. Y'all see how these curls flourishing? Elemo, y'all did y'all thing with this wig. You hear me? It's giving, it came straight out of my scalp. Elemo did send me this wig. The length is 20 inches and it is deep wave. The link to this wig will be in the description box. If you're looking for something to throw on real quick and you natural and you want your natural hair vibes, I highly recommend this headband wig from Elemo. It is giving, girl, I'm going outside. I'm going to run outside to the mailbox. It's giving, girl, I'm going to Wally World and pick up some groceries. It's giving, girl, I'm going to have me a drink with my friends real quick. I ain't got to do my hair. All I got to do is throw on this headband wig. That's what it's giving. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next video.